guys, so I just got on shopping. Actually wanted to take you guys along with me inside the store. It's a little Walmart, very small Walmart. For those of you guys that don't know what neighborhood Walmart is, it's actually the very small Walmart. But when I got here, guys, it is pouring, like it's really raining. And in fact, I had some other things I wanted to do. I wanted to go to the beauty store and go get something for myself, but as it is right now, I would not be able to do that. So all I'm just gonna do is gonna go home. I am wet. So guys, oh, and yes guys, before I forget, oh my god, I spent $84. I don't know if you guys can see that, it's all wet. I spent $84 and I just thought to myself, what did I buy? Like, what did I really buy that it's $84? Guys, things are so expensive right now. So I advise, stock up, like seriously, for real, because we just might get to a situation where at the end of the day there might not be anything at the store. So let's try and stock up, buy things. $84 for nothing. I'm gonna show you guys what I got when I get home. Let's go home. I'm gonna have to off my camera because I don't want to be distracted while I am driving. Like when it rains, it just disrupts things, you know. I'm very hungry actually too, so let me just go home and go eat. I'll see you guys when I get home. I'm back home and I want to show you guys everything that I did get for just $84. I am seriously shocked that all these little items here just cost $84, guys. Like, I really can't believe it. Like, what did I buy? Really, things are so expensive. So here I did get some my Eggo waffles. That's the Kellogg's waffles. This is like the Mancraft type of home style waffles, and this waffle actually cost $5.62. Super expensive, guys. So I bought this waffle because of Mr. T and Easy. And over here I did get already made buttermilk pancake, and this buttermilk pancake actually cost $2.48. Super expensive, guys. And I got eggs. Let's see how much this egg actually cost. So the eggs actually cost $2.63. This is the 18 count. I actually do have egg at home, but I don't like running out of stuff because I don't know when next I'm gonna go to the store. I got this kids Cuisine. It's has like an idea of Lunchables, you know. It's just a kids Cuisine. I haven't tried it before. I bought it for Easy. And then here is Ariel's food. I always get this for her because she loves this in her cereal. When I do mix her cereal in a bottle for her at night, she only has this at night. It's her night food, so I always mix like one fruit. So this is a combination of mango, banana, plum, grape, carrot, and apricot. So I just pick one, mix it in the milk and in the cereal, and she drinks it like that to sleep. I did get this for myself because I've been having some sweet tooth lately. This is the Blue Bunny loaded sundaes. This is a sundae, deliciously soft, tons of toppings. This strawberry shortcake. I actually did check it to make sure it didn't have banana, because if it has banana, I'm done. I'm not gonna have it actually. I don't eat bananas. Oh, how much did this cost? Let's see how much this sundae. The kids Cuisine actually cost $2.48. The sundae, this cost $2.63. Pretty expensive, you know. This whole grain cost $3.18 per one. Oh my god, this has tripled in price. So this box of food actually cost $28.62. I used to buy it at $24 before, so things are quite expensive right now. For this one, this is my yogurt. It costs $4.82. So it's gone up by like, I think, a couple of cents, because it used to be $4 and something. And then I do have my orange juice. I like this orange juice for some reason. It's the Florida orange juice. They say it's natural. This actually cost $5.28. I got 2 gallons of milk. I mean, it's milk. We can't do without milk in the house. So each gallon of milk actually cost $3.18. And right here I got vegetable oil. I actually do have oil at home, but I just want to stock up on it because things are getting scarcer in the store. Like, so how much is this vegetable oil? This is the Walmart brand, which is a great value brand, and this actually cost veg oil $7.82. Guys, no lie, I used to buy this for like $5 before, so it's gone up quite a bit. Okay, so this chicken used to be $5 before, but I think now it's $6.92. Pretty expensive, you know. So I want to have drumsticks and baked potatoes this week, but I don't know when. Now these are just small amounts of money, but they add up. So this has actually added up, and it cost me $84.02. See, if I had bought any other thing that wasn't food, I probably would have spent more, and I was actually looking for light bulbs to buy. So thank God I didn't buy, because guys, no money in the account. All right guys, got to show you guys right now. I am about to have some delicious jollof rice that my mom made. So guys, this is my jollof rice. Mom made this afternoon, but because I wanted to rush down to the store, I don't like driving once it's dark, so I decided I would go to the store first, come back before I eat. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. While I'm eating, I'm gonna be putting stuff in the refrigerator, okay? So you guys should stay tuned. You guys are going out? No. Oh, okay. I'll just go ahead and finish this one now, because guys, I need me some orange juice. So this says to keep frozen, so I'm going to put it in the freezer. So for this, I always like to take this out of the box because it will just be occupying space unnecessarily. So I'm just going to go ahead and take it out of the box and load it in the freezer. I always do buy the bigger pack from Sam's Club, but because I'm not going to Sam's Club today. And funny enough, Walmart is not so far from Sam's Club. I should have just come, but guys, no. So this is it's going to be going in here in the refrigerator. Imagine $7. What is this? I can actually make it myself. $7. I spent $7 on this, guys. I want to decongest this freezer. Take some to the other freezer in the garage. This what do you call it, pancakes, they need to go in the freezer, so I only keep one pack in the refrigerator. We still have some waffles here, so I'll keep these other 3 packs in here. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go chill, sit down and eat my food. Things that need to be kept in the refrigerator, I have put them up in the refrigerator. Just thought to bring you guys along on how my Saturdays are most times. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do remember to stock up. Things are expensive, things are scarce. Just stock up on stuff, because guys, you never know, you never know when there could be another lockdown. We never know when anything could happen. So if you know you did enjoy what you see, please do remember to hit the like and the subscribe button down below, and also turn on your notification bells so you could be notified anytime I upload a video. Bye.